Hey guys, I wanted to put out something like a public service announcement for all of you who are concerned about your liberties. Wikipedia is putting out information that is damaging to good politicians. And for those politicians who don't understand how to run their SEO, their search engine optimization, this is a problem because it means that Wikipedia is going to be the first thing at the top of the list when they do a search on a politician. And maybe that politician's Facebook page or their YouTube channel or whatever is number 6 at the bottom. Well, the damage is already done by the time that person has read the Wikipedia article. I just looked at some of my people here in Idaho, and whoa, this person is a normal conservative, very constitutionally based, and she has been labeled as a right-wing extremist, far right-wing extremist. And I am afraid to go look at the rest of the people that I know are good, consistent, constitutionally supportive people. And so for those of you, it doesn't matter what state you're in, go look up your Wikipedia for your preferred politicians that you're hoping to have in office, keep in office, get into office, go look it up. If the Wikipedia is false, if it has been smeared, if they have been smeared with lies on Wikipedia, you need to contact their office and let them know and tell them that they need to fix their SEO, their search engine optimization, so that their own material is at the top and the Wikipedia will get pushed down to the bottom because their SEO has been fixed. So it's important that we start now, guys. If you want to hold on to your constitutional, your God-given rights, you need to make sure you have good people going in. And there are certain organizations, left and right, that don't want good people in office. I don't think it's a one side of the aisle or the other thing. I think there are wicked people on the right and I think there are wicked people on the left. And what we need to do is wake up and take part in our politics, help those who are good law-abiding, good people. We need to get them in. And we can't do that if general voters, especially people who are new to our area, they don't know who these people are, and so they're looking for the first thing at the top of the list to tell them who these people are. Especially in my state, we have a lot of people coming from California, coming from really difficult situations, hoping to come to Idaho for freedom, and they just don't know anything about the candidates, and we can't be having them find lies about our best people as the first thing that they find. And now is when people are starting to look because of what's going on in our country, what's going on in Canada, what's going on in the world. So I think what would be really nice is if we could start getting to some of these media platforms and hold them accountable. Because for one thing, Wikipedia has started to make it so you cannot remove lies. They've started to be selective about what you can remove and what you can write in. It used to be a platform where anybody could come in and write anything, and then they would vet it, see if it was false or not, and then if it wasn't false, they would let it stay. Well, now what they're doing is actually writing lies and making it so you can't remove them. So Wikipedia has become a website that is against free speech. It is against the Constitution. It is against everything that our nation stands for. I don't think there's anything wrong with the platform that allows you to write in things about politicians. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. But when you block half of the population from being able to go in and fix errors, then that's censorship. So go look up your politicians. Make sure that their own content is at the top of the list. And if it's not, you need to contact their actual office and let them know what's happening. Thanks.